Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to safely prepare calcium gluconate injection for intravenous use. Calcium gluconate is typically supplied as a 10% solution, meaning 100 milligrams per milliliter. It is vital to understand the correct preparation steps to ensure patient safety and medication efficacy. We will cover dilution, administration, and important safety considerations. Let's get started with the essential first steps for preparing this medication. Dilution is a critical step for calcium gluconate injection. Always use 5% dextrose or normal saline as your diluent. For a direct intravenous push, aim for a concentration between 10 and 50 milligrams per milliliter. If preparing for a continuous intravenous infusion, the concentration should be lower, typically between 5.8 and 10 milligrams per milliliter. After adding the calcium gluconate, gently invert the infusion bag or bottle at least 5 times to ensure complete mixing. Administering calcium gluconate requires careful attention to speed. For a direct intravenous push, the rate should not exceed 50 to 100 milligrams per minute. When giving a continuous intravenous infusion, the maximum rate for adults is 200 milligrams per minute and 100 milligrams per minute for pediatric patients. Continuous monitoring of the patient's vital signs and electrocardiogram is essential. Always use a secure intravenous line to prevent any leakage into surrounding tissues. Remember these crucial safety points. Calcium gluconate is strictly for intravenous use, never injected into muscle or under the skin, as this can cause severe tissue damage. It is incompatible with many other medications, so avoid mixing it in the same syringe or infusion fluid. Always flush the intravenous line well between different infusions. Finally, store calcium gluconate injection at a controlled room temperature, ideally between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius, and do not freeze it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.